Let me ask you a very honest question. Have you ever noticed how money seems to come into your life, but somehow, mysteriously, it never stays? You work, you hustle, you plan, you even pray. Yet every month feels like a replay of the same movie. Bills arrive before peace does. Salary comes, and suddenly disappears like it was allergic to you. And no matter how hard you try, you keep ending up right back where you started. Not ahead. Not free. Just surviving. If that sounds familiar, I want you to know something very important right now. You are not lazy. You are not stupid. And you are not cursed. You are trapped in a cycle, and cycles don't break themselves. Most people think financial struggle is about income. They think, if I just earn more money, everything will change. But here's the uncomfortable truth most people never hear. If nothing changes internally, more money only creates bigger problems externally. That's why lottery winners go broke. That's why athletes lose fortunes. That's why people get raises, yet still feel broke. The cycle doesn't live in your wallet. It lives in your patterns. And today, we are going to expose those patterns. Calmly, honestly, and step by step. This is not a hype video. This is not get rich quick. This is about breaking free permanently. So if you want to finally understand why you've been stuck, and more importantly, how to get unstuck, stay with me till the end, because the final chapter may change how you see money forever. Before we go deep, do me a quick favor. If you haven't subscribed yet, pause for 2 seconds and subscribe now. This channel is for people who want real growth, not noise. And if you're already subscribed, I see you, I appreciate you, and you're exactly where you should be. Now, let's talk about the cycle. Chapter 1. The invisible cycle keeping you poor. Here's the thing about cycles. They don't announce themselves. They feel normal. They feel familiar. They feel like this is just how life is. Financial struggle usually follows a very quiet pattern. You earn, you spend, you stress, you recover, then repeat. Nothing explodes. Nothing collapses dramatically. Life just slowly drains you. Let me tell you a short story. There was a man, let's call him Daniel. Daniel wasn't broke because he didn't work. He worked hard. Sometimes too hard. But every time he got paid, he felt rich, for about 3 days. Then reality showed up. Rent, food, transport, helping family, unexpected emergencies that somehow showed up every month. Daniel believed his problem was income, so he chased more. Overtime, side hustles, extra stress. But here's what never changed. No matter how much he earned, he always landed back at zero. Why? Because income without structure is just temporary relief. The cycle thrives on reaction, not intention. Most people don't manage money. They respond to money. Money comes, they react. Money goes, they panic. Money disappears, they blame circumstances. The cycle continues because there is no system. And here's the dangerous part. When struggle becomes normal, you stop questioning it. You start saying things like, this is life. Everyone is struggling. At least I'm not homeless. But survival thinking kills progress. Breaking the cycle starts with awareness. Not motivation. Not money. Awareness. Because you cannot escape what you don't recognize. So let me ask you something uncomfortable. Are you actually poor? Or are you just undisciplined with direction? Sit with that question. Because the answer determines everything. Chapter 2: Why more money hasn't saved you and won't. Let's talk about the biggest lie in personal finance. If I just earn more, my problems will disappear. That sounds logical. It sounds responsible. It sounds mature. And it's only half true. Yes, money solves some problems. But money also amplifies behavior. If you're careless with little, you'll be reckless with more. If you're disorganized at level 1, you'll be chaotic at level 10. That's why raises don't fix broke habits. They expose them. Think about it. Have you ever earned more than you used to, but somehow felt just as stressed? That's lifestyle inflation. The moment money increases, expenses rise to meet it. New phone, better food, more subscriptions, more deserved spending. Nothing wrong with enjoyment, until enjoyment eats your future. Financial struggle isn't always about lack. Sometimes it's about leakage. Money quietly bleeding from places you don't track. Small decisions repeated daily become financial destiny. Coffee here. Impulse buy there. Helping everyone except yourself. Individually harmless. Collectively destructive. Here's the painful truth. Most people don't have a money problem. They have a decision delay problem. They delay planning. They delay boundaries. They delay responsibility. And delay has a cost. Breaking the cycle means understanding that money is not emotional support. It's a tool. And tools must be handled intentionally, not emotionally. Chapter 3: The real root of financial struggle. Let's go deeper now. Because the real reason people stay stuck isn't income. It's identity. You will never outperform the version of yourself you believe you are. If deep down you see yourself as someone who struggles, your decisions will quietly align with that belief. You won't save consistently. You won't invest patiently. You won't say no when necessary, because struggle feels familiar, and familiarity feels safe, even when it hurts. Many people subconsciously fear stability, because stability demands responsibility. When money is tight, excuses feel justified. When money is stable, accountability shows up. So the question becomes, who are you when nobody is watching your finances? Do you avoid checking your balance? Do you ignore budgets because they stress you? Do you spend to feel better? Those are not money problems. Those are emotional patterns. Breaking the cycle requires changing the story you tell yourself. From, "I'm bad with money," to, "I'm learning to manage money intentionally." Words matter. Identity matters. Because behavior follows belief. Chapter 4: Building a system that saves you from yourself. Here's where real change begins. Not with motivation, but with systems. Motivation fades. Systems remain. A system doesn't rely on how you feel. It works even on bad days. Wealthy people don't have super discipline. They remove temptation. Automatic savings. Fixed percentages. Clear priorities. They don't try to save. They make saving unavoidable. Here's a simple truth. If your financial life depends on willpower, you will lose. Willpower gets tired. Systems don't. Create structure that protects future you from present you. Decide before temptation arrives. That's how cycles break. Chapter 5: The shift from survival to strategy. Survival mode makes you short-sighted. You think in weeks instead of years. You react instead of plan. You choose relief over growth. Breaking the cycle requires a mindset shift. From, how do I survive this month? To, how do I position myself for the next 5 years? Strategy requires patience. And patience feels uncomfortable when you've been struggling. But short-term sacrifice creates long-term peace. You don't need perfection. You need direction. Final chapter. The day you decide the cycle ends. This is the most important part of this video. Because everything changes the moment you decide. Not when you earn more. Not when life becomes easier. But when you stop accepting struggle as your default. Breaking the cycle is not dramatic. It's quiet. It's boring. It's consistent. It's saying no when it's uncomfortable. It's choosing discipline over dopamine. It's delaying gratification so freedom can catch up. And here's the truth nobody tells you. The hardest part is not the money. It's outgrowing the version of you that survived. Growth demands change. Change demands courage. But the reward, peace, control, options. If you've watched this far, I want to appreciate you. People who stay till the end are different. They don't just consume, they apply. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is your moment. Stop scrolling. Subscribe now. This channel is for people who want their lives to actually change. And if you're already subscribed, thank you for trusting this space. Now ask yourself one final question. What if this is the year the cycle ends? Remember this motto, and carry it with you. Dream boldly, act fearlessly, and let your vision outlive you. Thank you for staying till the end. More powerful videos are coming, and you don't want to miss them. See you in the next one.